It's DIY time, and today I'm making some African Black Soap Shampoo, adding some vegetable glycerine to the recipe, but you don't have to if you don't want to. You could just use the soap and some water. So stay tuned if you'd like to see how this is done. I didn't realize the bar of soap was so hard, and I probably shouldn't have used a butter knife, but it took a while just for me to cut through that. I ended up using just over a third of the bar of soap, and then you gotta cut it up into smaller pieces. That will just help it melt down easier and faster. I don't know why I didn't go change the knife and get a better knife, but here I am chipping away at this hard ass soap. And once you do that, put the chunks of it in a glass bottle. I boiled the kettle earlier and let it sit for a while, so the water when I pour it on isn't super hot. It's more like a warm-ish water. I filled the glass bottle up until about an inch on top of where the soap ended, and then I just mix and mix and mix. I would check on it every so often and come back and mix and mix. It did take about 2 hours before it completely melted down, and then you see me there. I just added some vegetable glycerine, about a tablespoon, and then that's pretty much it. Once I was done, I just poured it in an old Kinky Curly leave-in conditioner bottle that I had lying around, and that's pretty much it. I did use the soap this morning to wash my hair, and it was very moisturizing, cleaned my hair. It did have a little subtle smell to it, nothing strong, and honestly, I don't think I'm buying shampoo anymore. Like, this is it. So if you've tried this recipe before, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you plan on trying it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!